Hi everyone, this video is a part of my Korea University's coding tutorials.
Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about some built-in functions called setup and draw and the order that they run. Function order. First out the block is setup, which will always run before draw. For a better visual understanding of our program, we will write setup and draw at the top of our file to indicate this. However, regard of the type position in the file, they will always run in that order, setup, then draw. So even if they were the last two functions, they will still run in that order. Setup function. The setup function does exactly what it sounds like. It sets the environment and area for our program to run in. This is often where we will set the size, starting background color, and other variables before the rest of the program get going. You may notice the void term before setup. This is a return type. We'll ignore it for now, but we can just say that it doesn't give us anything back when it's finished. Setup also shouldn't be used again once the program has run it at the start, a one and done kind of thing. Once all the lines in setup have been completed, the program then moves to draw. Draw function. The draw function is always the second function to run, and it begins immediately after setup. Draw is called automatically and will step through each line contained, but crucially, when it reaches the bottom of the function, instead of stopping it, it keeps repeating, making a loop. The speed of draw is determined by a frame rate value, which is 60 by default, but changing it can give you control over how fast the program executes. Draw will keep running over and over until we press the stop button or when we bring in some condition later on. Example 1. In the first example, we have an orange circle that is drawn first from the code provided in setup. As we know, we then automatically move to draw, where a green square is then drawn repeatedly until we stop the program. Don't forget to press the stop button in the processing code area. Example 2. Next, we have a short animation to show the differences between setup and draw. In our first example, we were drawing a shape from setup and draw. Here, we are drawing two shapes, but we are using the looping feature of draw to change their position each time we draw them. We will go into more detail on animation and movement later on, but this feels like a great time to really highlight the differences. The main focus for this later session is the y value we store in a variable, which we are reducing by 1 during each execution of the draw function. That's it for today. See you in the next video.